Hi everybody, my name is Carlos Campos and I teach at the Los Angeles College of Music. I teach one of the online ensemble performance classes and I would like to share with you the work of some of my students. This class is taught online and all the students share the recordings via a cloud service. I then collect all of my students' recordings and together we build a multi-track session on Logic Pro, pretty much the same as if I would be working with recording clients in a normal studio. So let's listen.
Is it too much to ask for you to love me like that? Is it too much to ask? Is it too much to ask for you to love me like that? Is it too much to ask? Jingling at the front door. Could it be? Can't resist the encore. Calling, saying, please, baby. There's nothing that I want more. I shouldn't have given you my key.
As you can see, my vocal student submitted a lead vocal and several backup vocal tracks. My other students will do the same.
Sweet love, hear me calling out your name. I feel no shame, I'm in love. Sweet love, don't you ever go away. I will always be this way. Your heart has called me closer to you.
I would like to go through the process of creating a multi-track recording with my students. First, I create a mock-up track following the same form of the original recording. Then I would upload the Logic Pro file to the cloud where my students can download it and start working on their own instrumental parts. And I'm gonna switch between the original track and the mock-up track that we are creating, for next week's class.
Dream overlay.
So here's the mock-up track. Now I'm gonna go back to the original recording. So the same tempo, same groove as much as possible.
Shades of delight.
Now the mock-up track. Okay. After each class, I upload the latest Logic Pro sessions on the cloud where my students can access the session and then continue with their own recordings.
Crassness of you, concluding only half of the truth, exuding only 1% of what I truly felt for you. And one morning that brought a day so gently, we set apart things of the heart and lost love long ago. Baby,
In those guitar tracks, my guitar students send me the plugin presets for reverb, chorus, and other effects. I load the presets and replicate the same configuration that my guitar student had in his own studio. We try to follow the form of the original song as much as possible.
which is the night.
Thank you for watching our class demo. I would love to see you in our online ensemble recording class and be able to work together. Until then, have a good one.